want, then we will all say, why did we not intervene when we could have said something right? This press conference now at 7:30, I have come from Kada to be here because there was no other way to get here. But I am really thankful that all of you have turned up for this, because sometimes you do not know, maybe nothing will happen. But if something does happen which neither you nor us want, then we will all say, why did we not intervene when we could have said something right? And it is disturbing the whole of Goan society. I am not talking about the statement of Professor Subhash Velingkar. That is a completely rotten statement. He should never have made it. I have held him in high regard. I consider him a friend. I consider him an intellectual, an environmentalist. He has supported me in environment campaigns. But to see the statement today, I have tears in my eyes. I do not know how Professor Velingkar could have made a statement like this. And I firmly request him and beg with him, please issue a statement withdrawing whatever you have said about our Saint Francis Xavier. Withdraw it, say whatever you want, say you are not misunderstood, you are not understood properly, you are whatever. But at least withdraw it now, because this is the time to do it. Otherwise, if there is a conflagration, if there is a conflict in the society which is threatening to happen, then Professor Subhash Velingkar will go down in history as the person who ignited this conflagration. So it is important that he recognizes this and he withdraws this, so that he can get our esteem once again. Right now, we are really hurt. We are really hurt that he made a statement like this. I am a Christian, and I also hold Francis Xavier in estimation. But I also go to temples and I celebrate Ganesh. And all these festivals are festivals of mine. I go to visit my Muslim friends every time. There is no issue. This thing is going to divide and it's going to rupture our Goan society, which is a cohesive society for so many years. And we have not allowed this type of thing to happen. So my only personal request to Professor Velingkar, that he will at this stage diffuse the situation, withdraw his statement, give an apology to the Christian community for whatever he has said and how distressed they are with this statement. And I would also ask the Christian community and all the people who have come on the roads, please go home. Please go home. The street is not the place to settle this type of business. Please go home. Please stay at home. Please do not invite trouble. Please support the police. Do not harass the police. The police are already overburdened. If this situation breaks down, even the police will not be able to help anybody. So I would request personally everybody, please go home wherever you are right now. If you are listening to me, if you respect my words, you will please say, okay, Dotran Ulaila, I am on the phone for kidding Alta and I am. Please do that. You will be a Goan hero. You will be a hero to me. You will be a hero to everybody in the state of Goa. May I ask